Hey, how's it going? And welcome back to the second video in this series on music theory for guitar players. In this video, we're going to be learning the musical alphabet. So let me explain. In every language you learn, the first thing you learn is the alphabet. And in a musical context, the alphabet would be what we call notes. In music, we have 12 of these. And those notes are as follows. So they are A sharp / B flat. The A sharp and B flat are the same note. And then you've got B, you've got C, you've got C sharp / D flat, you've got D sharp / E flat, you've got E, F sharp / G flat, G sharp / A flat. And each one of these notes represents a different sound. Now that you know what the 12 notes are in the musical alphabet, it would be a good idea to find out how we can find them on our guitar. So let's do just that. So we're going to start off with the A string. Alright, so the A string, when you play the A string, is an A note because it's called the A string. Alright, so if we play each fret represents a different note. So our first fret would be A sharp / B flat. And each subsequent fret represents the next note in the musical alphabet. So for example, the second fret would be B, the third fret would be C. Notice that the notes B and C don't have a B sharp / C flat in between. Also, the notes E and F don't have an E sharp / F flat note in between. Alright, just be aware of that. So we're on C now, on the third fret. Then if we move to the fourth fret, we go to C sharp or D flat. Then if we move to the fifth fret, we have D. If we move to the sixth fret, we have D sharp / E flat. And then the seventh fret is E. Remember, no E sharp or F flat. The eighth fret goes straight to F. The ninth fret goes to F sharp / G flat. The 10th fret is G. And the 11th fret is G sharp. And on every string, when we get to the 12th fret, the cycle repeats. So when we're at the 12th fret, we on the A string, we start at A again. So the 12th fret is the same note as what the open string would be. So let's try this on another string. So let's do the high E string. So the high E string is called the E string because the note it makes is an E. The first fret is going to be the next note in the musical alphabet, which is an F. And then we have the second fret, which is F sharp / G flat. And then we have G on the third fret, G sharp / A flat on the fourth fret. And then we start the alphabet again. So we've got A on the fifth fret. Then we've got A sharp / B flat on the sixth fret. Then we've got B on the seventh fret. And we've got C on the 8th fret, C sharp / D flat on the 9th fret, D on the 10th fret, D sharp on the 11th fret, and E on the 12th fret. And we start all over again. So this formula is exactly the same for every single string. So if the string is an E, then the next note is going to be an F, and then F sharp, G, so on. The strings are D, we're going to play D sharp on the first fret, E on the second fret, and so on. So as I promised, every video in this series is going to have a little quiz to help you gauge where you're at with the subject and see how much you have absorbed the subject. So we're going to jump straight to the quiz now. So I've got my notepad here because I can't remember any of the questions. So we'll get started with them. Question 1. So I am playing the 9th fret of the D string. Which note am I playing? So all the questions are going to be in the description, so just pause the video, get the answer with your guitar, write it down, and then check the answers at the end, okay? So question number 2 would be, I am playing the 7th fret of the B string. Which note am I playing? Question number 3 would be, I'm playing the 4th fret on the high E string. What note am I playing? Question number 4, I am playing the 2nd fret of the G string. Which note am I playing? Question number 5, I am playing the 10th fret of the A string. Which note am I playing? All right, so I'm going to switch these last 5 questions up a little bit, okay? So I want to find a D on the B string. Which fret would I have to play? Second question of these 5, so I guess it's question 7. That's it. I want to find a B flat or an A sharp on the low E string. Which fret would I have to play? Question 8. I want to find a B on the G string. Which fret would I have to play? Question number 9. I want to find an F sharp or a G flat on the A string. Which fret would I have to play? And the 10th and final question, I want to find a C on the D string. Which fret would I have to play? So once you've got all the answers for those questions, check in the description for the answers and see how well you did. If you did really well, like 7+, then you know you've absorbed this content very well. If you got less, maybe it's worth going through the video a couple more times just to solidify the information into your brain. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and hit the subscribe button because obviously this is a series and there's going to be more music theory videos coming for you. And let me know how you got on in the comments with the quiz as well. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments too and I'll be more than happy to help you. Until next time, see you later.